to fix ChatGPT unable to upload file problem. So if you want to fix the ChatGPT unable to upload file problem, then what you need to do is the first thing you need to do is just go with the upper right, which has that 3 dots on your browser. Go with settings, and here on the left side you will have about Chrome, and here make sure that your Chrome is up to date. And if you have any updates, you just need to simply go with update and update your Chrome browser. Once you've updated, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't, move on to the next solution, which is go with privacy and security and go with third-party cookies and just go with see all site data and permissions. And here you need to search for OpenAI or ChatGPT. Once you've searched for OpenAI, you will have the files or the sites from the OpenAI. You will have the cookies. So you just need to simply go with delete, which will be on the right side of the OpenAI, and then delete the data. Once you've deleted, your problem will be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, the next thing you need to do is just go with ChatGPT. Search for ChatGPT and open up your ChatGPT. Make sure to log into your ChatGPT. Once you've logged in, you just need to simply go with the upper left, which has this option or this icon, View Site Information. Click on it and then go with Site Settings. Under Site Settings, make sure that you've allowed all of the permissions and you've not blocked anything. And after that, your problem might be fixed. Or you just need to simply go with Reset Permissions, and it will reset all of your permissions and your problem will be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then the last thing you can do is just use a VPN. So turn on a VPN and then use your ChatGPT and your problem will be fixed. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.